Want to block sensitive or mature content on X, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the sensitive content setting on X. Now let's get started. The mature content settings aren't available on the app, so to turn off the sensitive content settings on X, open your preferred browser and go to x.com. Log in to your X account if you aren't already logged in. Then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy and Safety. Select Content You See. If you want to block any sensitive content from being shown, uncheck the Display Media that may contain sensitive content setting. Then select Search Settings. If you want to prevent sensitive or adult content from appearing in your search results, tap Hide Sensitive Content here as well. That's all it takes to turn off the sensitive content setting on X. Want to learn more about using X? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.